question 7. Question 7 here is, the following are some well-known abbreviations. Okay, these are well-known. They have been used in this chapter. Now, make sure to write its full form. So, MALT. The full form of MALT is mucosal associated lymphoid tissue. What? Mucosal associated lymphoid tissue. Mucosal associated lymphoid tissue. Okay. CMI is cell mediated immunity. What? Cell mediated immunity. Again, cell mediated immunity. AIDS is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. What? Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Again, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. This is done. NACO, NACO is National AIDS Control Organization. What? National AIDS Control Organization. And HIV is Human Immunodeficiency Virus. What, students? It is nothing but Human Immunodeficiency Virus. Okay, so we are done with this question.